Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to game on your Mac. Currently, I'm using an M3 Pro, yeah, an Apple M3 Pro, and memory is 36 gig, and I'm using 1 TB SSD. So yeah, so that's my specs. I'm 16 inch, so that's the spec of this my Mac. It depends. I'm using a silicon, an Apple silicon, so this is not for Intel. It could work on Intel though, but I'm not sure. So, but this is for um silicons. So first of all, you need to download crossover. I'm going to put the whole links in the um, description. So you're going to need to download your crossover. I already have it installed, so you can either buy or there's a free trial. But if you comment free crossover, I will send you the cracked version of the latest crossover they can use for free without paying. So yeah. So after downloading that, you install it. You have to install the crossover and everything. It's not hard. It's a pretty easy step on how to. It's a pretty easy step. Let me just show you crossover. Yeah. So crossover. So when you just download it, you could click on manual, and when you click on manual, then you click on crossover again. Then you drag this to your application. Then drag this to your desktop. Drag it to desktop like this. I'm not doing it because I already have it. So once you are done with it, okay, once you drag it to your dedicated application, let me show you one more time. Once you drag it to application and double click on it, install it and all that stuff, and then apply the crack. The way to apply the crack is click on the extra. Then when you click on the extra, you click on the other folder. Then this is a license key. Then you open your terminal. So you drag the license key. Drag the license key to the terminal. Then you press enter. Then you put in your password. And voila, the crossover is cracked. So the crossover is cracked. So there's no need for you to pay or whatever. So if you need the free version of the crossover, comment free crossover and I'll send it to you. Alright then, let's continue. Now this is my crossover. So I have some games already in it. I have Biomutants, Combat Master, Final Fantasy 15, Mass Effect, Ready or Not, and Shadow of War. Not all games work on crossover. It's selective though, so you have to go to the website. So you have to go to Apple Gaming Wiki and click on crossover. Now, whatever that shows perfect are the games that are playable on crossover, and crossover is the best because it's the best among all of them. So some games are playable, some are not playable. So see, some are not unplayable. So I'm going to put this link and put the link in the description. So don't forget, downloading the crossover. Told you what to do. Go to my comment section and click comment free crossover, and I'll send you the free version because this you have to pay $74. Yeah, depending on your country. So by my country it is 74 USD. So yeah, as I say, if you want the free version, go to my comment section and comment free crossover. So yeah, so you have to download this. Install your Steam by going to install, then click on Steam. You can install your Steam. I already have Steam, so I don't need to install it again. Just install your Steam. Me, I don't play games on Steam that much. What I do, I download the games from other websites, from other sketchy websites. I download the games from there, so I put the games on my hard drive and install it. Yeah, put the games on my hard drive, go to a Windows system, install it or whatever. It's a pretty long process, but I'll cut it short for you. So what I do is I use a website. I use a software called Parallel. So Parallel, it gives you a 14 days free trial. So this is my 11 days. Going to try it. So this is a Windows, a Windows and Mac. Windows and Mac. This is a way to run Windows and Mac. This is a way to run Windows and Mac. So I use this to install the games and put it in the drive. So we are taking this out. I'll show you how to download that. So for you to download that, you go to Parallel Desktop. You try for free, not buy. Try for free. But it's pretty expensive. You download for free. Put in your email, blah blah blah, and submit. Then you can download from there. You set it up. So once you're done setting up, that's it. You install the Windows. It's going to show the Windows will be installed automatically when you start the software. So once you start the software, you install the Windows automatically, and then you can then download your games from any website you want to the like. You can download any game you want from any website. Now, I go to my Chrome. I search for the website I want, Fit Girl or about. I'll search for the website. Look for the game you want. I download it. But the best way to download the games is when you use torrent. Not a sponsor video, but you use torrent. This is the best way to download the games. These are all the games I've downloaded since this year. Yeah. So these are the games. I use uTorrent. Not a sponsor video, but uTorrent. If you have seen this video, you want to sponsor, that would be very nice. So that's not a sponsored video though. So that's how to download it. I use uTorrent. Download the games. Use Fit Girl. Look for the game you want. Download the torrent, and voila. You can just double click on it. And if you want me to show you step by step on how to install these games from Fit Girl Repack or stuff, I want me to show you how to install the games. Go to the comment section and write. Just type 1. Just write the number 1. Then I'll do a new video showing you how to install these games. Yeah. Maybe you can choose a game you want. Yeah. Just write 1. Then write the game you want. Then I'll show you how to do it. So yeah. Before I go, I forgot. Let me show you guys how I put it now. An example here. Now let's play. Which game should we play? Final Fantasy, right? Yeah. So come in. This is a Final Fantasy. Let me show you. The game is run smoothly, no bugs. And yeah, you can use a pad, you can use a keyboard, you can use your gaming pad, you can use a keyboard to do it. Final Fantasy. Works smoothly. You can change your settings. The settings I'm using is my graphics average. My preset is average, so it depends on your system. But I will advise you to anything you put the settings on medium. That's the best. Put everything on medium or low. That's the best. So now let's do the game. The game runs. Yeah, so the game runs pretty well. So if you want a video on how to download these games and install them on crossover, just go to my comment section and put the number 1 and I'll show you how to do it. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.